Yung kasal, bago nagbuntis si Lizzy. Siguro, sige, umpisahan natin kay Mark, malapit kay Chiki. Paring Mark.
Okay. By God's grace pa, hindi po nahirapan mag-buntis yung wife ko. Nagpakasal kami 2013, few months after 2013. Nag-conceive na po siya dun kay Matea. Okay. Now, after Matea, mga 3 years old na siya. Pero before pala yun, we were really praying for a baby boy. Ayun talaga yung gusto namin, preference namin, baby boy yung panganay namin. So, pero the Lord has a different plan. Eventually, binigyan kami baby girl. Then after 3 years, binigyan kami another baby. So, again, we were praying talaga na, Lord, sana boy ito. Kasi may girl na kami, may boy kami. Sasarado na namin yung tindahan. Oo. Para dalawa lang, okay na kami. Pero the Lord has, again, sa another plan, binigyan niya kami si Mia. Yung third naman, mga around 2022, nagbuntis ulit siya. We were really again praying for baby boy. And 5 months into her pregnancy, binigay. So sobrang saya namin.
Yan. Mamaya pakikita natin yung litrato na yan, no? Pakikwento natin yan. Okay po ba? Naririnig ba tayo sa kalawakan yan? Malinaw daw, malinaw. Eh, si ano naman si Dennis. Dennis, kwento ano naman kami.
Dennis, excuse me lang, maybe you can put your microphone closer to you. Ayan, para talaga marinig. Okay, go.
Pinipray namin yun for a few years. And then, may nag-alaga sa amin na OB para matuloy yung pregnancy ni isa. And then, after 3 years, simula nung nagsama kami, saka lang kami ito.
Planado yun.
Yeah. We were trying for a few years talaga.
So, siguro, Chiki, pakwento natin, maikli. Background naman ni Daddy Mark saka Daddy Dennis, no? Sige nga, Mark, kwento mo kami. Ano ba pinagkakaabalahan niyo na?
I'm a full-time worker po under the Transformation Foundation in the city. I'm a staff in social